This is the 69 Plymouth Roadrunner Convertible. I'm not sure if that's a 440 or 383. I don't think it's a 426. It's got the little Roadrunner emblem on it. Plymouth Roadrunner 69. 8-track tape layer in there. Krager mags. There's the back. Right next to it's another Roadrunner. That's a 69 Roadrunner. And it's a coupe. It's got a black vinyl top and it looks like it's maybe royal blue. I'm not sure if that's the original. It's got a 440 in it. The one that I saw previously, the convertible, it had a 440 on it too. I just didn't see it on the hood because the hood was up. So, yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, I thought you resigned from that position. I put the stew in stupid, okay? We have 900 cars finished.
900 cars here today. Wow. Here's a Valiant 100. And I'm not sure what motor that is. It's a small block V8. It is a 1968. And there's one other Chrysler down here. It's an RT, so it's road and track. Looks like a Dodge RT. It's got the Super B stripe, so I don't know if it is a Super B or not.
Automatic.
Yeah, is that a Super B?
It's got the Super B stripe. It's an RT, so it's got to be the 400. But it's got an automatic transmission.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I wouldn't.
Hi. It says almost RT. Looks like it was in a sad shape at one time. I made it in a magazine article.
Oh, what about it? Oh, American.
It's a 1970 Dodge Coronet RT.